Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Vetri Utu, and on this channel I share videos of food, cakes, business and a little bit of lifestyle. Kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that when I post new videos you'll be informed. In today's video we'll be talking about business registration and the benefits of registering your business. Business registration is actually done by Corporate Affairs Commission in Nigeria, and there are different categories in which you can register your business. For instance, the business name or company. There are other categories if you're registering NGOs and all that. But basically, a business name is like a sole proprietorship owned by one person and could actually have partners, right? While a limited liability company, under the category of company, the limited liability company has shareholders and directors, so it's not owned by one person. Basically, registering your business gives you that legal entity. You can, especially if you're registering a company, register a business name, which is the easiest one you can register, or you can register company. There are different categories actually, but basically about this video is to tell you about the benefits of actually registering your business. So if you intend to register your business, just go to their website, which is cac.gov.ng, and read more about the different categories of businesses. But I'll be focusing on the benefits of registering your business. Registering a business helps you protect the name of your business. I have a lot of people that are actually promoting businesses that are not registered. That is not even right in the first place, because you can be sued by someone who has actually registered that name before you. Okay, to register your business first before even promoting that business. Let me talk like a proper doctor. Nkechi, come closer. That's your bakery, Nkechi Bakery, that you're busy promoting everywhere. Printing flyers that is not registered, it's illegal. You can be sued if someone has already registered that name before you. Imagine promoting a business and you find out that someone else had actually registered this business before you. Go and register that business so that it can be legally recognized in Nigeria as a business. Provides exclusive rights to the name of that business. This will prevent people from using the same name or similar name. So if you love a name so much, go ahead and register it before someone else registers before you. There's even a higher level of registration known as trademark. If you've been watching my videos, you see that I talk a lot about NAFDAC registration, and one of the requirements for a NAFDAC registration is trademark registration. Trademark registration is done with your CAC certificate. You would register your business first with CAC before going ahead to register a trademark. Most times when you go to register a trademark, you would find out that the name is no longer available. At that point, you'll be asked to choose another name, and it can be painful, especially if you've already started promoting this business with that particular name, or if you've already started promoting your business with that particular name. So it's safer to register your business. It also helps to protect your brand identity. By securing your business name, you actually protect your brand presence in the market. You establish a unique presence in the market and safeguard your reputation. Another thing registering your business does is that it helps to build trust and credibility. Registered business tends to instill a level of trust and credibility in customers, partners, and suppliers. So I'll ask you a simple question. If business A has a business name, has gone ahead to get a registered business account, business A also has an Instagram account and is always posting pictures about their product and also customer reviews, and offers a particular product which has a higher price, and business B does not have the business her business registered, does not even have a business account number or Instagram handle, is just promoting by word of mouth, or maybe just runs an ad online, Which of these two businesses are you most likely to trust, even if business B offers a cheaper price? My own answer is business A, because I feel that this business is serious, and based on the customer reviews and also the activities online, and based on the fact that this company is registered and has a business account number. Before a bank can give you a business account number, to an extent they've done a level of verification before they will give you a business account number. So it builds a level of trust and credibility in the sight of customers and all the people that you'll be having dealings with. In this scenario I gave, both of those companies, I'm buying from them for the first time. I don't know them from anywhere. I'm just seeing them online. I saw their Facebook ads and I decided to buy from them. I would rather buy from business A. Even if their price is high, I'm sure my money will be safe and there will be no stories. Business A is serious about business. Because how do we know that you're serious with your business when you have not even registered the business, which is even the first thing you're supposed to do? Business B can decide to run with your money because they have no name, like they have nothing to lose. But people can easily be dragged online, like people have a name to protect. Businesses that are registered and are active on social media most times have a name to protect, so they will do all they can do, because just 2 or 3 bad reviews on their page is enough to ruin their business. So they will ensure that they are keeping up with integrity, keeping up to their brand promise and promises they've made to clients. So that's basically what registering a business helps to do. Customers are most likely to engage with registered businesses. Business registration signals that your business is reliable, committed, legitimate, and dedicated to long-term operations. So you're looking at the future, like this business has a future, that's why I'm registering it. A fabric company known as Trebio Fabrics. So I ran ads. Customer reached out to me who wanted to buy some of my products, but she was scared because she said she ordered for a particular wig online, hair wig online, and till date, as at time I was talking with her, she hadn't received it. That was probably some months she hadn't received the wig, and this wig was more than 100,000 plus. So she was scared. I had to get on a video call with her. So this is how you build credibility. Basically, before people can buy from you, there's something known as KLT, the know, like, and trust factor. They have to know you, like you, and trust you to do business with you. So I had to build it online because she was just meeting my brand for the first time. I had to call her on a video call. I told her, this is the name of this business, Trebio Fabric, and we have a business account number, we have a business account. This company is registered with CAC. We'll have a business account. So a bank would not just give you without doing their level of verification if this business is actually valid or not. Then I also told her, I'm calling you a video call just for you to know that I'm human, okay? So she was laughing. You have to build a level of trust before people, especially if people are buying from you online, and if they're just meeting your brand for the first time online and they want to buy from you, you have to build a level of trust and also show credibility before they can buy from you. There's also a part of customer reviews, posting your customer reviews and all that. So registering your business is a great way to start when building trust, when building credibility in business. Registering your business can enhance funding and financial assistance. Many banks, investors, governments require formal business registration as a prerequisite for providing loans, grants, financial assistance. You can see how this thing works. You actually want someone to invest in your business when you're not willing to even invest in your business. At least the minimal you can do is to register your business. There was even a period CAC had a discount and they were registering businesses for just 5,000 naira. The period they were registering businesses for 5,000 naira. I don't know what the cost is actually right now. It has gone up, but that's the easiest thing you can do. Register your business. A lot of people take this risk. Opportunities like this come up and you miss out on them because your business is not registered. How do you want investors to invest in your business when you don't want to invest in your business? How does it work? Some people will say, I don't have money. Think of a small thing you can do. You can even start You can start by selling peanuts or groundnuts. I have a peanuts recipe on my channel. Go and watch that recipe. That's the easiest business you can start. There are other simple businesses you can do to raise money to register your business. So it's not an excuse. If you want people to take you serious, you have to take your business serious. Yes, you have to take your business serious. One of the ways to show that you're serious with your business is registering your business and then going ahead to get a business account number. So that when you're having transactions, business transactions, you're sending this account number, people already know. You know, there's a psychology of buying. People already know that this person is serious. For you to even get an account, it's serious. I know some people have had bad experiences with registered businesses, but to an extent, it builds a level of trust and credibility. So if you're part of those that are promoting businesses, marketing businesses that are not registered, please just go and register. The simplest one you can do is business name registration. Go and register and stop promoting businesses, because in the long run, if someone goes ahead to register the business before you can be sued. Yes, even though you're the one that was promoting the business first. Legally, this person has established an entity. Even if you decide to go to the court, you don't have a case actually. By having a registered business, straight professionalism and commitment, you have higher chances of obtaining the capital you need to start your business or even expand your business. The next benefit of registering your business is that you can have access to government contracts, company contracts, and opportunities. And opportunities are exclusively reserved for those who have their businesses registered. Of bakers and caterers in my location, and someone actually lost a major job in millions because she even had her business registered, but her business was not active. So beyond CAC registration, after you've registered your business, there's something called annual returns that you have to file yearly to CAC, and this is usually done by different agents. There are several agents that do it. If the category of registration is business name, it's 3,000 naira. If your category of registration is company, it's 5,000 naira. Person, her business was checked online. You can check it. Just go to CAC site and just type in your business. You will check whether it's active or not. If your business is inactive, you already know you're not filing your annual returns. So that was why she lost out on these major contracts. Her business was inactive. Her business was registered, so she was able to bid for the contract, but her business was inactive due to inability to file her annual returns. So that was why she lost the contract. So registering your business shows that you're serious about your business. It helps you have legal protection and recognition. It helps you protect your business name. It also helps you build trust and credibility. It helps you have access to funding and financial assistance. It also helps you to be able to bid for contracts. Let me know in the comment section if you have registered your business, what you intend to do with the information that you have gotten. Comment section if you have questions, and I'll answer them. Thank you for watching.